One of the biggest changes in 2.5 is an application-based user interface. Now when you log in, rather than go to a default dashboard and a common set of menus, you first have a home page where you pick the application to log into. Once you go into that application, you'll get a unique set of dashboards for it, as well as a unique set of launchpad menus. You can go back to your home page and go in to another application and see its dashboards and its menus, or you can go directly from one application to another. After we've upgraded to 2.5, all the Intaglio applications will automatically get new launchpad menus, dashboards, access, and icons for the home page. For applications that you've created, you'll need to do some configuration to make them usable within this new application UI. To do so, go to the designer, go to the list of applications, and bring up your application. There you can check the flag to show on the home page, set its position, and pick an icon to display. You can use one of the many icons that come out of the box, or load a new icon and use that for your application. In addition to these settings, you need to configure 3 more items to fully enable your application. You need to determine the access, i.e. the people who can use the application. You need to set the launchpad menus for it, and you need to associate dashboards for your application. For the access, you go to the Relations tab, query on access, and there you'll see a variety of relations. Roles that have access to the application, users, and groups. Usually you'll go by roles, pick the variety of roles that you'd like to add, who should have access to it, save it, and hit done. To associate dashboards, go back to your overall relations list and go to the dashboards used in application included dashboards. Here you can add and associate existing dashboards and set the order. If you want to create new dashboards, look in the user guide on the sections for creating new dashboards, define the dashboard, and then come back to this related list to add the dashboard into an application. Note the dashboards can be used by multiple applications. To set the launchpad menus, you go under your development tools, user interfaces, and go to the launchpad designer. In that designer, you pick an application, in this case admin, and then you could see the current launchpads assigned to it, and you can create brand new launchpads. This is the launchpad designer introduced in release 2.0.2, modified to understand the idea of application context. For your custom applications, initially you won't have any launchpads defined. You'll need to go to the launchpad designer, bring up your application, and you can easily create new launchpads with sections and items. You can create an unlimited number of launchpads, or you can also share launchpads with other applications. Once you've designed and created your initial set of dashboards, launchpads, and access for your application, you're ready to go. Now when the appropriate users log in, they'll go to their application homepage and they'll see that application there. They can then drill into the application and see the dashboards and the menus appropriate for that application. Additionally, objects, actions, dashboards, and launchpads can be shared between applications for easy reuse. Users can go back to the homepage to change applications, can use the drop-down menu to go between them, and also when they look at their last 20 items, they can immediately jump from one application to the other.